So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a second StumbleGuys account. So the first thing you want to do is once you go to stumbleguys.com/play is to open this settings on here. So once you do that, and I suggest first you set up your profile through here, so you'll see the login option, set up your profile through there, but after you click on play you will see settings here. And you can see here general settings along with language, server region, in-game notifications, and some other options underneath as well. Now on here, if you click on write this, save your progress with Scopely account, so you will need to create one account. But if you want to log in with another account, so let's just click on that. You can see here, choose any option to manage your Scopely account. So you have Facebook and email. So I've chosen email as my way to log into my StumbleGuys account, but you can add another profile to here by adding your Facebook or some other person's Facebook. So you have a couple of options once you go to StumbleGuys on this device. Now on there you can add these two profiles. If you're using some other device, maybe if you're using their app on iPhone or Android, you can use those profiles as well. So they really give you a lot of options on how to use your accounts and how many you can add on the play version of the StumbleGuys app. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on StumbleGuys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.